Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and in today's video I will be sharing with you my footwear haul. So some of them are new, whereas some you must have already seen it in my Instagram photos and all. So I basically thought of sharing these with you because I found the quality to be good and the pricing to be justified, and some of them are branded as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first one is a classic design by the brand Adorline, which is a completely Indian brand. I picked it because black can never go wrong. I love that design around the toe area. It's so beautiful, so intricately done. It's like huge in diameter, which makes it quite unique actually. The fit is really nice. I have basically wide legs, okay, so and my size is usually 41, and this one I took one size down and that was correct. The embroidery is beautiful, red, peach, grey, black. It doesn't have any heels. The fit is very comfortable. The stitches can be seen, but it kind of adds to the beauty of it. It's a perfect party wear, total value for money. I love this piece. The next one is by the brand Kick-On. I very randomly found this on Amazon, and it does remind me of Crocs. So they have a few collections, and this particular model has I think they have so many colors actually to pick from. I love how lightweight this is. It is like an all-weather shoes. It's peep toe. You can again go for one size down, and as I said, I have wide legs and sometimes getting a proper fit is difficult. I really like the quality of this one. It's suitable for rough use. You can wash it, no problem. The comfort is really nice. It's my favorite daily wear kind of pair. Next is a party wear. So this is not like any branded shoes as such. So this is definitely not meant for like rough use. What I like is it has a very small heels. I don't usually wear heels, so this particular size looks fine. I love the embroidery, blue, green, golden. The embroidery looks amazing. The quality is nice. You can see some threads and all, but as I said, it's very affordably priced, so I wouldn't really be worrying about how long it will last because I didn't pay that much also. It's a party wear, definitely not an all-weather kind of, but I'm definitely wearing this because I love these kind of party wear shoes, and the size is also very comfortable. The fit is very nice. The design actually doesn't look cheap at all, and it's a lovely footwear. Next, I picked up a pair from Metro shoes. So it's a mustard ochre color. I really like the backside of the collection by Metro. It's really cute. Now the thing is, I went for my exact size. It is okay for wide feet, but you will need some time. You know, the footwear has to expand a little bit. So right now the fit is like pakka, and it has a golden ring at the center. It looks really nice. Like it's very comfortable to walk around. There is no heels at all. It's not a very rough use kind of footwear, definitely, but I think it will be looking really good with kurtas or jeans or even as party wear. There are some other colors available, but I think for them the finish is velvet, whereas for this one it has almost like an artificial leather back kind of finish. The fit is really good. The pricing is also very affordable. The next one is a classic timeless design, and I can see the comments on Instagram as it is original leather. I'm not really sure about that. So again, this is not an all-weather shoes. You can see that the quality definitely not something that you would want to wear on a rainy day. But let me tell you, it looks so beautiful. I was worried if the base is going to be very hard, but that is not the case. It looks very hard, I know, but it's not. It is very comfortable. Even the string that connects the covering to the toe area, that string is also not very harsh on the skin. I totally enjoy wearing this one. It is kind of like a very contemporary design also, something that you can wear with jeans or kurtis or sari. The fit is really nice. You can go with the exact same size. There are some other designs available as well for this particular leather category. I really like this design, and under 500 I think this particular pair of shoes was a steal deal. And for a change, it's maroon and not brown. Okay, moving on. The next pair is by Shoetopia. Kick-On also has a similar pair. This is very common. Everybody must have seen it. I just wanted to experiment with it because it is suitable for wearing in rainy season and all. It's quite lightweight. The sizing is correct. Even for wide feet, the fit is okay. There are many pretty colors available. I did see some minty color, which is so beautiful. And it's almost like a shoe. You can see the flap and everything, and you can adjust it also. It's like a half shoe kind of. It's quite stylish. You can wear it outside with jeans, it will look still pretty, but it's more like a millennial kind of thing. But I think I'll use it at home or maybe just to walk around the house. It's washable, it's lightweight, and for that price, it's quite durable also. So the next one, I actually did not get this one from Amazon. I got this from an Insta store, but I found this on Amazon and I was like, okay, I need to show you this. It has this beautiful embroidery kind of design, and the best part is no two shoes will have the same design, but the embroidery is so beautiful. I got it last year and it is still very fine. It has designs all around the shoes. The sizing is pakka. For 41, it was good, and I love the embroidery of these shoes. It's so pretty, it's so comfortable. Okay, moving on, the next pair, which is my personal favorite also. So this was by the brand High Shine. I think it's a very generic brand. What I love the most is the shiny color, of course, and the color combination of minty green and peachy. It's perfect with jeans. It's kind of like a good fit also. Even if you have white, like the fit is really nice and it looks so stylish. It's so youthful actually. Now the next pair, I picked it I think last year again from Shootopia. You will find the same piece on Amazon, but I thought I'll make this video because this is like a very regular chappal, nothing very extraordinary about it, but there is something, which is that brown design, and it has this very colorful embroidery that is going on. So it is a very neutral color, the tan color, but because of that embroidery, you can wear it with a wide range of colors. It will look equally good with jeans or kurti, and the fit and the comfort is also really nice. Now the next is something that I didn't plan to shoot in the beginning. These are from Crocs, and Crocs is expensive definitely. I got these from the store, actually physical store, but I found these on Amazon and I had to show you. I've been using these for 8 months now, and just by spritzing a little bit of water and using a cotton pad, I can clean it. Now this white one especially, it can be a beautiful party wear. There is some heel, but the heel is not at all uncomfortable. The fit and finish is so good. At any point you can just wash it and it look as good as new. The comfort is amazing. You can wear it for longer duration. You will not feel any form of fatigue. The fit is really nice. Then I picked this classic Sandra Crocs. It again has a small heel, but then again not at all uncomfortable. You can spray some water and wash it off very easily. This is in the shade Gunmetal, which is neither black nor brown, and this is my go-to daily wear. Like wherever I go, I'll just wear it, and I kind of forget that I even have shoes on. So these are all the footwear pieces that I want to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. We will meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.